Good day, everyone. We are the Team Bagan. Our experiment is alternative water filtration using charcoal, sand and gravel, and cotton. First step, we have to add the battery container. Some cottons inside the bottle container. We have to put the sand to the bottle container. In the first steps, we need to put some charcoal to the bottle container. Fifth, we have to put some gravels to the bottle container. After putting some gravels to the bottle, we need to put again some charcoal. This part is we need now to try how effective our alternative water filtration. This is a dirty water, and when it passes through the alternative water filtration, it becomes clean and purified. Tapos itong
pakpak.